Have you ever seen a picture of the Philippines? Maybe you've scrolled past a postcard-perfect image online, or flipped through a travel magazine and paused at a breathtaking scene. Probably a perfect white sand beach, right? The kind where the water is impossibly blue and the sand feels like powder between your toes. Those beaches are paradise, but the real magic is deeper. It's not just about the scenery, it's about the life that pulses through every street and every smile. It's in the smiles, the food, and the stories of the people who call this country home. Every meal shared, every laugh exchanged, tells a story of warmth and belonging. The Philippines is more than a postcard. It's a feeling, a warm, welcoming adventure that invites you in and makes you feel like you belong. To find it, you have to step away from the big resorts. Venture beyond the familiar, and let curiosity lead you to the heart of the islands. The true soul of these islands lives in its communities, bustling markets, quiet villages, and family kitchens where recipes are passed down through generations. It's about connecting with people, sharing a laugh with a mango vendor, or hearing a fisherman's tale as the sun sets over the water. These are the moments that linger long after you leave. These moments are the souvenirs you'll cherish. They're more valuable than anything you can buy because they're memories made with real people. Think of it like meeting the artist behind a beautiful painting. Suddenly, everything comes alive. The colors, the stories, the meaning, all become clearer. Seeing a rice terrace is amazing, but meeting the farmer who tends it, that's unforgettable. You gain a new appreciation for the land and the people who shape it. This journey is about unlocking a more genuine way to travel. It's about learning, sharing, and growing with every encounter. The warmth of Filipino hospitality, pakikipagkapwa-tao, is world famous for a reason. It's a spirit of kindness and connection that you feel the moment you arrive. By seeking out these connections, you're not just a tourist, you become a guest, even a friend. You're welcomed into homes and hearts. There's no better feeling than making a new friend in a new place, especially over a plate of adobo. Food becomes a bridge, and every meal is a celebration. The real Philippines is found in these connections. It's in the shared stories, the laughter, and the bonds that cross cultures. So, are you ready to go deeper? To look beyond the surface and discover what truly makes this country special? Let's find the heart of the Philippines together. Let's go. Your adventure is just beginning. Ready to find the real Philippines? Beyond the postcards and the guidebooks, there's a world waiting to be discovered, one that only locals truly know. Start with a local guide. They're your key to unlocking the heart of the country. Not just someone who recites facts, but a cultural expert, your translator for language and tradition. They'll help you understand the stories behind every custom, every greeting, every smile. They open doors you'd never find alone, from hidden eateries to secret viewpoints. With a guide, you'll discover places that don't appear on any map. A great guide shares their home, their stories, and their community. They invite you into their world, making you feel like a welcome guest, not just a visitor. Suddenly, you're not just seeing a village, you're meeting its people. You're learning their names, hearing their laughter, and sharing in their daily lives. This is how travel becomes transformative. It's not about checklists, but about real connections. These moments are what you'll remember long after you leave. Wander a market alone and you'll see plenty, but with a guide you'll taste the sweetest mangoes and meet the people behind the stalls. You'll hear the stories of the vendors, learn about local ingredients, and maybe even pick up a family recipe or two. They'll introduce you to the lady who's made rice cakes for 50 years, and you'll learn her secrets. You'll see how tradition is passed down through generations right before your eyes. These guides are professionals, proud of their heritage, passionate about sharing it. Their knowledge goes far beyond facts. It's about pride, identity, and love for their homeland. By hiring them, you support local experts and their communities. Your journey becomes a partnership where everyone benefits. Your trip becomes a force for good, helping preserve culture for future generations. Every experience you have helps keep traditions alive. It's a win-win. You get an unforgettable experience and your visit makes a difference. You become part of the story, not just a spectator. The best way to travel? With someone who calls your destination home. They'll show you the soul of the Philippines one step at a time. Let your guide show you the Philippines beyond the postcard. Discover the stories, the flavors, and the friendships that make this country unique. You'll leave with stories, friendships, and memories that last a lifetime. Don't just visit, connect. That's the real adventure. Let's get started. So, where do you find these amazing guides? It's easier than you think. Start with the Philippine Department of Tourism's website for accredited guides, safe, reliable, and professional. Look for community-based tourism groups. They offer authentic experiences that benefit locals directly. Search online for Community-Based Tourism Palawan or Indigenous Tours Cordillera to find unique opportunities. Platforms like Tours by Locals, With Locals, and Airbnb Experiences let you browse guide profiles and reviews. You can match with someone whose interests fit yours before you even arrive. Ask friends for recommendations or join travel forums. Personal referrals are gold. Just confirm your guide is a professional. The right guide is your ticket to an unforgettable adventure. Once you've found your guide, reach out and start planning. Be clear and respectful. Introduce yourself, share your interests, and ask about availability and rates. Don't shy away from discussing costs up front. Be specific about what you want, but stay open to your guide's suggestions. They know the hidden gems. Agree on details, tour duration, what's included, payment method. Most guides have clear policies. Sort it all out before you go. When you're on your adventure, relax and enjoy. Logistics are handled. Remember, your guide is a person, not just a service. Show genuine interest in their life and culture. The best guide-traveler relationships feel like friendships. That's how a simple tour becomes a shared experience. In Luzon's Cordillera Mountains, the Banawe and Batad rice terraces are breathtaking. With a local Ifugao guide, you don't just see the terraces, you hear their stories and learn about ancient irrigation. Meet elders who share rituals tied to rice planting and harvesting. Sit in a traditional hut, listening to tales passed down for generations. Your guide bridges the cultural gap, revealing the deep spiritual bond between the Ifugao and their land. Taste mountain cuisine, try pinikpikan, or cook rice from the terraces with a local family. These flavors and stories aren't found in Manila restaurants. Without a guide, you might just take photos and leave. With a guide, you carry the Cordillera's spirit with you. You understand the resilience and ingenuity of its people. You leave with memories of shared meals and new friendships. That's the real journey. In the Visayas and Palawan, natural beauty meets rich culture. On Bohol or Panay, a guide can introduce you to master weavers. Sit beside them, learn their craft, and hear the stories behind each pattern. Try weaving yourself and gain a new appreciation for their artistry. In Palawan, go beyond island hopping, snorkel with a guide who's a marine biologist or conservationist. Learn about coral reefs, marine life, and local conservation efforts. Meet fishermen, discover sustainable fishing, or kayak through mangroves. These experiences connect you to the environment and the people who depend on it. By choosing guides who champion conservation, you help protect this paradise. Your adventure supports a great cause. You get more than a tour, you become part of the story. That's the magic of traveling with a local expert. Mindanao is a land of vibrant cultures and living traditions. With a local guide, you're welcomed into communities like the Taboli, famous for dream-inspired Tinalak weaving. Meet dream weavers, hear their stories, and witness sacred artistry up close. Taste Mindanao's unique cuisine, dishes like piaparana manok, rich with coconut and spices. Your guide explains the cultural significance behind every meal. Experience music and dance. Watch a Kulintang ensemble or the graceful Singkil dance. These aren't tourist shows, they're living culture. With a guide, you're not just a spectator, you're an honored guest. You build real connections and gain a deeper understanding. Mindanao's soul opens up when you travel with respect and curiosity. Let your guide show you its true heart. The Philippines is more than just its world-famous beaches. It's a country of deep soul, vibrant traditions, and warm hospitality that welcomes you like family. The key to truly experiencing it is connection. Engage with people, listen to their stories, and share your own. See the country through their eyes, and let their perspectives open your mind to new ways of living. A local guide is your bridge to unforgettable memories, helping you discover hidden gems and stories you'd never find alone. Pack curiosity and an open mind, leave space in your plans for surprises and spontaneous adventures. Be ready to try new things, from street food to joining a local festival or learning a traditional dance. Say yes to unfamiliar foods, and let your taste buds explore the flavors of the islands. Learn a few local words, show respect for customs, and embrace the Filipino way of life. Be patient and flexible. The best moments are often unexpected. Remember, you're a guest. Respect customs, dress modestly, and be mindful of local traditions. Always ask before taking photos, and travel with sensitivity to the people and places you visit. When you travel with kindness, you'll leave a positive impact and create meaningful connections. Your journey supports local economies, preserves culture, and helps communities thrive. The real adventure is in a family kitchen in Luzon, where recipes are passed down through generations, a weaver's workshop in the Visayas, where tradition comes alive in every thread, a dreamweaver's hut in Mindanao, where ancient skills are shared with open hands, or a mangrove forest in Palawan, where nature and community are deeply intertwined. Find a guide, make a friend, and discover the heart of the Philippines, one smile, one story, one shared meal at a time. Travel with an open heart and an empty stomach. The country will fill them both. Make memories that matter, and let the Philippines change you. You'll return with more than a tan. You'll come back with a new family, and stories to last a lifetime. The real Philippines is waiting. Go find it, and let your journey begin.